Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a smart projector that gives you a true big screen experience without spending a fortune, the Xenopad H7 is definitely worth checking out. I bought this projector from Amazon, and I've added the Amazon link in the description. Right now there's a huge discount and an extra coupon available, so make sure to grab the deal before it ends. The first thing that impressed me was how easy it is to use. The autofocus and auto keystone work within seconds, so you get a perfectly aligned image without constantly adjusting the projector. Picture quality is surprisingly impressive. It has native 1080p resolution with 4K support, so movies, YouTube, and streaming content look sharp, colorful, and detailed on a large screen. One feature I genuinely like is the built-in Google TV. You get access to thousands of apps including Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney+, so there's no need to buy an extra streaming stick. The 1000 ANSI brightness also makes a noticeable difference. In a dark room, the image looks bright and vibrant, making movie nights feel much more cinematic. Audio is another pleasant surprise. The built-in Dolby audio delivers clear dialogue and a fuller sound than most portable projectors, making it perfectly usable for everyday viewing. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, streaming is fast and connecting wireless speakers or headphones takes just a few seconds. For casual gaming, the large projected screen makes racing, sports, and story-driven games much more immersive, especially on a console. Overall, I genuinely enjoyed using the Xenopad H7. Between the easy setup, Google TV, sharp 1080p image, Dolby audio, and strong brightness, it feels like a great all-in-one home theater projector. If you're interested, check the Amazon link in the description for the huge discount and extra coupon before the offer ends.